Nearly every living thing on Earth died off. It's an event that happened before the time of the dinosaurs, known as the Great Dying. Now scientists reveal just how bad things got in Earth's darkest hour. Here's TG Daily. Life was nearly wiped out, only 10% of plants and animals surviving, and the sheer intensity of the crisis and continuing grim conditions on Earth after the first wave of extinction meant the bounce back was very slow and killed off 90% of living things on land and in the sea. How slow? The new study says it took 10 million years to recover. Wired UK says they blame a combination of global warming, acid rain, ocean acidification, ocean anoxia for the devastation. Live Science notes one set of events seemed to trigger the next. It seems there may have been 3 phases though, so a combination of factors could have coincided to cause such immense damage to life on Earth. Some research suggests the global warming played a role, which may or may not have been set off by a great coal eruption or volcanoes. The scientist Dr. Zheng Chen from the China University of Geosciences and Professor Michael Benton from the University of Bristol published their findings in the journal Nature. Cheng and Benton examined analyses of rock sections found in China and across the world to try to get an idea of the timeline of extinction. They claimed that after the initial cataclysm, grim conditions returned in bursts for 5 to 6 million years, with repeated carbon and oxygen crises, global warming, and other nasty events. But life did bounce back, and Dr. Benton says that's what makes the story so spectacular. A positive aspect of the recovery was the emergence of entirely new groups, such as marine reptiles, decapod crustaceans, as well as new tetrapods on land, including, eventually, dinosaurs. And the scientists say their findings should contribute to discussions about the past, present, and future. Here's Science Daily. The causes of the killing, global warming, acid rain, ocean acidification sound eerily familiar to us today. Perhaps we can learn something from these ancient events. For Newsy, I'm Neville Miller. Multiple sources, the real story.